In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to add video transition effects to your Fillmora projects. But before I do, please remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. First thing you need to do is add your video and/or images to your project timeline. If you're not sure how to do this, please click on my video tutorial on how to insert footage into your images using Fillmora. A link will be in the description below. Transitions are useful to show your audience that you're going from one idea to another. Now, they're not always necessary, so you don't have to overdo it, but they can make your project a lot more interesting. So for this example, I have chosen all the images and video that I want to use, and I've already added it to my project timeline. What we want to do now is click on Transitions. Fillmora has a huge selection of transitions you can choose from. Now you want to play your video until you find a spot where you want to add a transition. Leave a little space in between your images and videos so your transitions are smooth. Let's try this one. Now play your video to see if you're getting the effect that you want. If not, just click Edit and Undo and try again. Keep adding the transitions you want until you're satisfied with your project. Now play your project to see if it's exactly what you wanted. If you don't like one of the transitions, just click on it and select another one. When you're done, export, create video, name your video, make sure your format is what you want, and then export. That's it. Next time we'll talk about adding audio to your projects. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment below, and remember to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. I'll see you in the next video.